Hello and welcome back. Today sharing a marble painting technique for making art journal page. For this I have used a pastel acrylic paint from Bluebird Arts. It's a brand from Pakistan. Here I am making a background for journal page without cleaning my brush so that all colors blend with each other beautifully. Now adding some art marks using one of my handmade foam stamps. For the marbling effect, I have used watered down black acrylic paint, adding a drop of glycerin into it to make it a fluid consistency. Then adding a couple of pearls to the mixture. Then I poured these pearls onto the page and made them move. See how art marks are appearing. Adding some more details to the page. Now adding a touch of gold using 24 karat gold Pearlescent acrylic from Bluebird Art. I hope you enjoyed the creative process.